So Pi Network made this post about OpenMind proof of concept, which in short is POC. And a lot of pioneers don't just understand what it's all about. They just read it like it's something that is normal for Pi Network to actually, come in collaboration with the project and all that. But little do we know how important this is. Let me explain. Now, one thing you have to understand about the Pi Network OpenMind POC is to actually exploit the Pi global network of nodes to support the decentralization of AI training and computing tasks. Now, what this simply does is OpenMind AI model simply runs on the existing Pi node infrastructure. It's always converting unused computing power into productive work. Now, in the AI product demand side, what it does is that it pays Pi to node runners to source and fulfill their computing demands, which means that additionally, whenever this AI gets to use the Pi ecosystem, it actually generates infrastructures. Not just that, it pays Pi to Pi's ecosystem, which actually stand a good chance of Pi network to keep burning tokens. Now, in addition, from the Pi node runner supply side, what it does is to actually opt into the servers to earn Pi from the additional utility separate from the standard node mining that we all know about. Now, we all know that AI computation is expensive and centralized, such as the AWS and that of Azure. Currently, the Pi Network Global Node actually offers decentralized distribution computing power, and this productive work is an unused resources. Now, the very good thing about this is that AI companies will now have to pay Pi for computing node runners, which means that if any AI company actually comes in right now to use the Pi Network's node, which they've actually partnered with the OpenAI, seeing its infrastructure and its use cases, they will get to pay with Pi, and this would actually add more utility to the Pi network's growth. This is a massive step towards the Pi network growth and mainnet readiness. I don't know about you, but I'm really excited about this. This is why I keep telling you guys, Pi will boom, but it's gonna take time. Pi is like a baby. It's still growing and it's still in its readiness phase, okay? There is a lot of work undergoing right now. These are the kind of projects that Pi will partner up with and I'll just be smiling about it because I know how important this is, not just for the Pi core team, but also for Pioneers itself. Now imagine AI companies coming in to use the Pi node. What do you think happens? Pi will get to be burnt. More Pi will be used. That is going to create utility, and in utility comes demand. That way, the price of Pi will keep scaling. Don't say I didn't tell you. Make sure to follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Pass like that.